Hi, my name is Captain Joe Berry, and I'm an IT systems engineer in HIQD and a part of the Shared Services IPT. If you provide services in our current organization, you may be up to 5 levels removed from the PEO. Soon, 1 or more levels of that organization will be removed, but we won't stay in the typical Directorate division branch structure. The Shared Service IPT identified many services that add value and remove duplicative work. Those shared services will be grouped with like services into service domains. The service domain owner is part of the Service Management Governance Board. A typical domain will have 1 or more service owners. Likewise, there will be 1 or more service managers to each service owner. I will explain those roles shortly, but first, what does all this mean for you? We will have to work together to adapt and adopt these changes. Your supervisor may change as the organization flattens and realigns. You will have time for a learning curve as the PEO rolls out these changes strategically. And you can find your place in BES 2.0 at your local alt call the week of August 12th. Now for the new services terminology. The service domain owner is at the operational senior functional OSF or GS14, GS15 level and are held accountable for interface and process interdependencies, process maturity levels. They establish policy standards and provide command and control. They approve service design packages, SDPs, service level agreements, SLAs, as well as manage continuous service improvement. Lastly, they appoint service owners. A service owner is at the GS13, GS14 branch chief level and is accountable for delivery of 1 or more services throughout its lifecycle. They synchronize internal and external resources, deliver the SDPs, SLAs, and operational level agreements, OLAs, as well as report up service measurements and metrics. Lastly, the service manager role is at the program manager or project manager level and manages the day-to-day delivery and end-to-end lifecycle of 1 or more services. They lead SDP development and are responsible for cost-effective, value-added service delivery to the customer, then collection of measurements and metrics, and handle incoming requests for additional support services. These 3 roles have varying scopes. There's one major common thread among them: the focus on delivering value to the customer. I encourage you to stay tuned. There's much more information to follow in the days and weeks ahead from both the PEO and IPTs. Thank you.